In this tutorial, we're going to do the double crochet on the front bar. I've never heard of this stitch. I've been crocheting over 30 years and this is new for me. So I'm going to start off, and you can just chain your 3 or do a chainless double crochet if you would like to start one. And then your next one is going to be on the front bar of double crochet. So when you turn it here, you see the 2 strands that are normally your stitch work. The front bar is this one right here. And see how it's just leaning downward a little bit? It's right here, here, here. So it's the 3rd bar down. So when we go in, we're going to double crochet only on that bar. And it takes a bit of getting used to, and you just double crochet there. Once you grab the first one, the next one is right here. In this concept, the front bar here in double crochet is much easier to see than the back bar is. And what this is doing on the other side, it's turning over the stitch to look like this. And this is the double crochet on the front bar right there.